our attention to portfolio development. This is crucial. View your portfolio as your visual resume, right? It's your opportunity to showcase your distinct personality and style. A standout portfolio is crucial as it reflects your identity as a model. I will offer personalized feedback by sharing my own modeling portfolio, which I developed while signed with Elite Model Management in New York. And if you're eager to collaborate with experienced photographers and stylists to present yourself effectively to agencies and clients, I strongly recommend utilizing platforms like Caviar. I'll link it down below. This platform is designed for creatives in the fashion industry to connect. So if you need help approaching other artists for collaboration, please do not hesitate to post in the F.A.I.T.H Model Guide community with your current portfolio and goals. Together, we can brainstorm creative ideas that will highlight what makes you unique, okay? So let's break this down.